So guys, in the last class we have seen the modes that can be operated on the files. So which are the modes? Those are read mode, write mode and append mode, and we have seen by executing what are the differences between the modes. So today let us discuss some operations, the input output operations that can be performed on the files. So as I told earlier, we have not passed any content in the last class or last video. So now we will try to pass some content and check whether how it works. So how it can be done using the I operations, input output operations. So there are some functions, inbuilt functions that can be operated on the files. So let us discuss one by one. So the first function is, that is, get C. The first function is get C and the next function is put C. Get C and put C. Get C and put C. So now let us discuss about we will discuss about get C. So what is get C? Get character. What is get C? Get character. So what get C does? What get C does is it will take the single character at a time from the read mode, from the file which is in read mode. So ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ರೀಡ್ ಮೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ರೀಡ್ ಮೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ at a time single character from a file ತಗೋದು. ಫೈಲ್ ಇಂದ at a time single character ತಗೋದು. That is get C. So let me give simple example. So this is info.txt. This is info.txt. The file name is info.txt. See, I have written some content here, A, B, C. I have written already. The content has been already passed. That is A, B, C by manually. So using get C, I need to fetch the content. Using get C, I need to fetch the content from info.txt. So how it can be done using get C? So what is the syntax for get C? What is the syntax for get C? So get C takes single parameter, that is file pointer. Get C takes only one parameter, that is file pointer. What is this file pointer? File pointer means previously we need to open the file info.txt, comma, I will open in read mode and let me assign this fopen function to the file pointer, that is fp. Of course we need to declare the file pointer using file_fp. And I need to open the file in the read mode and I will assign it to the file pointer, that is fp. As I told earlier, this file pointer name can be anything. If file pointer name ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, but this should be in capital letters. So I will pass, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ file pointer ನ get C parameter ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Get C parameter. So what will be the output? The output will be only A. Why? The output will be only A. From this ABC info.txt ಇಂದ ನಾನು ABC fetch ಮಾಡಿದೆ, but output will be only A. Why only A? Because get C function fetches only single character at a time. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ABC 3 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು get C ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು A ಅದ, so only A will be displayed. So this is get C. So I will get some doubt here. Get C ಇಂದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. I need to fetch all the characters. How it can be done? Get C takes one parameter, only A display ಆಯ್ತು, ನಂಗೆ ABC 3 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, So it is simple. I will use the while loop. I will use the while loop. So ಈ get c function ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? We don't know. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a b c ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. So I need to end the loop. How? So get c function returns end of file. Get c function returns end of file which indicates the completion of the data. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ get c function ಇಂದ end of file ಏನಾದರೂ indication ಆದ್ರೆ that indicates that is the end of the content. So up to end of file ತನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಲೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ up to end of file. So end of file ಆಗೋ ತನನು this loop will be executed again and again, and the output in the first loop we will get a, in the next loop we will get b, in the next loop we will get c. Correct? This is about get c. What is get c? So at a time only single character will be taken from the file when we open in the read mode. Okay, get c. Get, what is get? Fetch some information from the file. So next one is put c. What is put c? Get means we need to fetch. What is put? Put andra the content will be written into the file. So put c takes two parameters. Common sense. Put c takes two parameters. Yavudu parameters? So first parameter is the data. Yav content anna ನಾವು file ಅಲ್ಲಿ pass ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Which content we need to pass into the file? That is the first parameter. This can be character. Then the second parameter is, what is second parameter? That is file pointer. So file, of course, file pointer is fopen function ಇಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, that is file pointer. So first parameter is the character or data, comma second parameter is the file pointer. So put c. So get c ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಮೋಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ರೀಡ್ ಮೋಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I need to open it write mode. Why? If you use write mode, the content will be written into the file. If the file exists, the content will be written. If the file does not exist, ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ automatically the file will be created and content can be copied into the file. So now the file is empty. So let me name it as info.txt. At present file is empty. So now I will pass some content. Put c. Let me pass z. Single character na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ pass ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what is put c? At a time single character will be written into the file. So I will pass z. So what is the second parameter? That is file pointer. So put c takes two parameters. First parameter is the character which is need to be written into the file. ಯಾವ character write ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? That is first parameter. Second parameter is the file pointer. ಯಾವ ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that is file pointer. So what happens once I execute this? The z will be written into the file. File exists ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, exist ಇದ್ರೆ if the file exists the z will be written. If the file does not exist, file exist ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ. So this is put c. So ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಬಹುದು. So I am passing only single content. Okay, I am passing single content. What if I need to pass multiple characters? So then I need also to use while loop. While loop ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. We will execute and see how it works. So this is put c. So now let us execute the program using getC and putC. First let me take the putC function. See guys, here in get put folder I have created the file put.c. I have saved this program as put.c, and there is no any text file is present. Let me write the program. So first we need to declare the file pointer, then I need to open the file. Let me give the file name as get put.txt. This file name can be anything, no problem. And let me I am using a putC, so I need to open it in write mode. So let me assign it to the file pointer. I will use the putC function. putC takes two parameters. Which are they? The first parameter is the character which need to send into the file. Now ಯಾವ character ನ file ಅಲ್ಲಿ send ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು first character. ನಾನು z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು character ನ send ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ in getPut.txt file ನಲ್ಲಿ. So second parameter is file pointer. Okay. So now let me execute and see. So at present there is no text file present here. This one, the write mode, the file needs to be created automatically. So now let me execute, compile and run. So let me check. See here, the get put.txt file has been created automatically. So let me check the content in this. The content should be present in this, that is z. So the z character is written into the file. This is putC. Now let me use getC function. Let me use getC. So I need to use getC function. I need to use the mode, that is read mode. So getC takes one parameter, which is that is file pointer. getC file pointer. So let me I need to print the content, correct, using printf. So first, before printing, I need to declare the character. I need to declare the variable, that is char c. So let me assign getC to the c variable. Now I can easily print the message, easily print the data from the file. How? The format specifier is %cy. We have used character here, %c, comma c. So let me execute this, compile and run. So what is the output? The z has been printed. So how this z printed? From the getPut.txt file. The z has been printed successfully. Now we may get some doubt here. So what happens if I declare this as int? Let me keep it as int c, and this needs to be changed to t, %t. So let me check what will be the output. See here, the output 90 has been displayed. How? This is the garbage value. The garbage value has been printed. Okay. So what is getC? It takes single character at a time and it will be printed. So shall I use it for append mode? First we will test with the append mode A, and I will send some data. 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 How? Using putC. The first, let me send it as A, first character, and FP, the file pointer. Okay. Now, since I have opened in append mode, so what the file contains? First, previously we have sent the character Z. Now I am sending A. So because of append mode, what will be the output? The output needs to be ZA. Both characters should be present. Why? As append mode does, what append mode does, it will preserve the previous content and the new content will be written afterwards. So let me run this. So the output should be ZA. So the output has been displayed as ZA. Previously the file pointer was Z, in here Z, and after that the file pointer is after A. So if I use append mode again, the content will be written after A. This is append mode. So now let us send more than one character at a time. Let us send more than one character at a time. So let me open it in write mode. So let me send some characters using putc, same as earlier. Let me send it as A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. So now I need to what should I use now? I need to use the while loop. Now we will send more than one character and check how it works. So now what I have done here, so up to the end of file, user the character reaches end of file, it should loop again and again, and each content should be written into the file using putc. So let me execute and see how it works. So presently it is not there, the file is getput.txt file is not there. So let me execute, compile and run. So let me give the input as A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, and let me press enter, and I need to mention the compiler that end of file. I need to mention end of file, so I will use Ctrl Z. It indicates the end of file, and again I will press enter. So it depends upon compiler. It depends upon compiler. End of file can be indicated, it is different from different compilers. So now I will press Ctrl Z and I will press enter. So now let me check. So here getput.txt file has been created successfully. So let me check the content. The content has been written, A, B, C, D, E has been written successfully. So multiple characters can be sent using putc, using the while loop. Why while loop? Because putc writes into the file only single character at a time. So if I will not use, only single character will be written. So because of all the characters, it will loop again and again, and the content will be writes into the file. So now let me use getC function. Let me use getC function. So what is getC? It will fetch single character at a time in the read mode. So I need to change it to read mode. I need to change to read mode. Read mode. So now what getC does? It will just fetch the content. Okay. Because of that, what is read mode? The file should already exist. It does not exist, it returns null. So our getput.txt is already present here. So I need to fetch the data. So now let me fetch the data from getput.txt. So now let me change this to getC. Let me change this to getC, and getC takes one parameter. What is that? The file pointer. File pointer. So now let me print this. Remember, getC does not print, it just fetches. I need to print using printf function. So printf, what is the format specifier? %C, C. So now let us execute. The file is already present here. Content is ABCDE, as already we know that. So the output should be ABCDE. So let me remove this. Let me compile and run. Compile and run. So we have got the output, that is ABCDE has been printed successfully. So we have returned multiple characters at a time. We have sent multiple characters using put C, and we have returned multiple characters at a time using ABCD. But as we have seen, actually what happens is, only single character will be taken at a time. Because of the loop, we can't see. So internally the loop has been executed again and again, and it has you can see ABCD simultaneously. So this is about get C. This is about get C. Okay. So let me change some content here. Let me pass some numbers, some integer values. Let us check what happens. It actually, let me change this to previously what we have done. Let me change that. Okay. So let me pass the numbers. Let me pass the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I will pass 1, 2, 3. Let me enter Control Z. So now let us check what will be the output. 1, 2, 3 is written. No problem. So now we will try to fetch the data. We will try to fetch the data. So how will you write? As we have write earlier. So let me execute this. So 1, 2, 3 has been displayed. Now I have said earlier that only characters it will be fetches and displayed. So now 1, 2, 3, how 1, 2, 3 has displayed? So let me change, we will see that. Let me change this to integer, and because of that it needs to be %d. So let me execute this. So what is the output? The garbage value has been displayed. So 1, 2, 3 is in the form of characters, not in the form of integer into the file. So that's why we have got the garbage value here. Okay. So in this video we have seen how get C and put C works. Okay. In the next video we will see how other function will work. Okay. Thank you for watching.